if your iPhone screen is too dark even when maximum brightness is turned on. And to fix this issue, if you turn your brightness on maximum stage and your iPhone screen is too dimmed, too dark, then here are the various type of fixes you can fix this issue. First workaround is tap on settings of your iPhone and here go to accessibility and here scroll down and you will find the option display and text size. Here scroll down and you will find the option reduce white point. So you can slide it to maximum level or turn off this feature also. Reduce white point, turn off this feature. The next one is now you can see your brightness is little improve. The other one fixes is also the another one setting also you should change and here go back and tap on zoom under accessibility settings and here scroll down and zoom filter tap on it and here choose none. If you have already set it as low light then choose none. Thereafter again go back and check whether your brightness is improved or not. If not, go to the next settings. Again tap on settings of your iPhone. Tap on general. Scroll down. Tap on transfer or reset iPhone. Here tap on reset again and choose reset all settings. Unlock your iPhone with passcode and tap on reset all settings. These three settings by which you can improve your brightness of your iPhone.